Hey guys, what's up? So, I died basically, but I finally filmed it. I'm doing a hoodie slash sweater collection because I do literally my entire closet is filled with hoodies and sweaters as we speak. Subscribe if you're new. Some of this is merch, so if you do want to see my merch unboxings, I'll have the playlist linked in the description and in the I button as well. I have merch too if you want to go check it out. Links in the description box. I'm out of breath because I just filmed all of that. I have so many hoodies, so hopefully this video is interesting. Yes, like this video if you do, and let's get into it. Shoo. I have a problem. That about wraps up this video. I hope you guys liked it and hope you guys liked my little collection. A lot of the hoodies that I do wear all the time are merch because I love wearing merch. Like, it's so comfy. But yes, hopefully this was interesting. Hope you liked it. Hope you guys liked it, and I'll see you guys next week for a new video. And yeah, bye.